What's up, flawless gang? I'm back with a brand new video, and as you can see, Baked Bean Gang is on the camera right now. You already know. So you guys see I have a wig cap on. So we're doing a hair review. So if you watched my last video, you would know that I told you guys I'm doing a wig install. I'm really excited. This is my first actual wig besides, you know, a headband wig. So this is so cool. I can't wait to see how I do. I'm a beginner, so this is my first time, so be easy on me. I'm trying to learn. I've been watching tons of videos, so if you have any tips on what I can do to improve myself, let me know in the comments. But I'm gonna try my best. So I've been looking and reviewing, so let's try it. So like I said, I'll be doing a closure wig install. So I just laid down the wig cap just so that I can do that already. That would took a long time for me to do. Like, just want to get that out of the way. So this collaboration will be with a company called BLY Hair. So really excited to work with them. Very nice company, very fast shipping. They are also based on Amazon, so they have very fast shipping, very great communication through email. So had no issues with getting my order. So before I get into the video, please follow me on social media. My Instagram is @shalishasflawless, Snapchat is princessgirl18, and Twitter is xxshalishasflawless. And of course, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the flawless gang if you would love to see more of me, and so you don't miss out on any more uploads I have to come. And with all that being said, let's go ahead and get this wig installed. I'm excited, kind of nervous, but we're gonna do this. Let's go. Let's get this done. So like I told you guys, the company is called BLY, but the actual company name is called Beauty and Love and Youth. So this is their box that they send it in. They are through Amazon. Like I said, they have 100% human hair wigs, which is awesome. So they just give you a little card, but all that came inside the box was just a wig cap, which I had one of them on, and then it was the wig. So this is their deep wave 20-inch wig. Now I did cut off the lace so I could do this, you know, off camera. It would have took me forever to do it if I were to cut the lace on camera. It would literally be so messed up, so I did that off camera. But I put some makeup in the inside. I'm going to put some more up here to blend it with my skin tone of my forehead. But I also plucked a little bit. I have to bleach these knots if I choose to really wear this, but I just want to install this for a review. But nonetheless, this hair is beautiful, super soft. It does have a smell. It's very strong, but that's just if you wear your wigs out the box, you're gonna come in contact with that smell. But if you wash your wigs and co-wash them before you wear them, you're not gonna come into that issue. So just know that the shedding is as normal as curly hair. Curly hair sheds more than straight, so just be aware of that. It's not too much shedding, but it's just, you know, it's a pretty decent amount, but it's not overly, you know, shedding where it's going bald. So yeah, this wig is really pretty. This is the inside. It has some clips, and then the back for the bands to tighten it if it does not fit your head. You see, I'm gonna have a hair tie so I can put the hair back and we can work on laying the front down. So I have my mirror here, so I'm gonna be looking over here and here at the same time. So yeah, let's go ahead and get this on. But okay, ooh child, all right. Okay, so I'm going to put this back so that I can work on just the front, and then we will you know, style it and get everything together. I just want to work on the front, which matters. Look how nice this is laying on my hair. Like, I love this wig, so pretty. Let me straighten it up. I'm not sure if I want to do edges. I tried to do some in the front, but I kind of think I did them too far back, so it kind of like it's like a little short in the front, so I might have to lay that down with some mousse. But I might end up being able to use them, but if not, we would just do a normal install with no edges and just wet it up real cute with mousse and stuff like that. So this is a really nice wig though. I love this wig. It's very full, it's not thin. I'm not sure the density and everything. I will have the density and everything on the screen as well as in the description box. So I'm gonna do one section at a time, but first I'm gonna actually get this hairline together. So I have two powders. So two powders. I have Black Radiance and I have Maybelline. So the front of my hairline, I feel like my forehead is a little darker than my cheeks and my nose, so I'm going to mix the two because I feel like the brown, the darker one, kind of matches up here. My forehead up more at the top is a little darker than down here. So I'm going to just mix the two and just get this nice and coated. We're gonna get this nice and coated and we're gonna blend it and see what we have. Okay guys, so we laid down the powder. Now we're gonna take some alcohol pads before I go in and glue it. Like I told you guys, I'm just doing the install for you guys to see this hair. And I'm also learning from this wig cap. I could have came a little lower, but it's cool. I'm still learning as I go, but we're going to get this together, get this excess stuff off the forehead. All right, this is gonna help your wig adhere better. Got the bee spray. Let me make sure I got my blow dryer here. So I'm gonna do this side first and then we'll lay this side. So we're gonna do that. I'm just gonna do a light layer. I'm not, like I told you guys, I'm not keeping it so long, so I'm just gonna do one layer, and I should be able to hold enough. All right guys, so this side is down. Remember, we're gonna do this side and then we're gonna wet it up a little bit and then see what hairline we're working with to see if we're gonna do some edges or not. But all right, scalp, all right, getting there. All right, I think I did pretty good. Alright guys, so this is how it looks so far. What y'all think? I think it looks pretty good for my first time. Alright, maybe it might be serving scalp, maybe. Maybe, I might be. Are you serving scalp? I might be. You just don't know, like you never know. We got this going on. I did some plucking because it looked a little unnatural when I first got it. So I was like, oh, it looked a little thickiana. So I was like, nah, we're gonna get that together. I think I need to glue a little bit more right there. Hold on. I might be. So you go. This is such a pretty wig. I really enjoyed this hair so far. It's so pretty. So, all right, now we're gonna wet this up a little bit just so I can see the hairline if I want to do edges or not. But I might just leave it like this for the first install, and yeah, maybe another time we can do some edges or something. I feel like I like it without edges, just a little bit. Got this new brush from the beauty supply. This is so nice, so nice. Ooh, this hair texture is giving. It's giving. Yes. I love this hair texture. It looks so good. And we're gonna put some mousse on it and stuff, but curly or dry, what you guys like? I like dry too, but I think curly just makes me look like just a beach mommy, like. So we're gonna wet this side up. I think I might leave it like this. I don't know, I gotta see. This shirt's gonna get so messed up because it's late, but that's okay. That is okay. For me to have been a beginner with plucking this wig, I think I did a really nice job. I wish I would have did a before and after, but like the hair before was super like unnatural. It was like a little thicker in the hairline, but I tweezed it up and it actually came out really nice. Really nice. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more powder right there near the front, but other than that, this wig is giving. I love this hair. It's so pretty. It's so soft. It has a lot of body to it. It's not super thin. I feel like just the ends could be a little fuller, but other than that, it's pretty. I think this looks so pretty. I think I like it without edges. I think it will look cute with edges, but I think for this video, I might just leave it without them. That looks a little better. All right. This texture is so pretty. Deep wave. I've been loving these companies that send me this curly hair. I did a water wave headband wig and it just was so pretty. It just looked like my natural hair. All right, this is sitting nice. Okay, I think this looks decent though. Like for my first try, like what? Slave by Shalisha. That's what it's about to be, taking appointments. This has been my favorite mousse lately. It's by Lotta Body and it's called the honey and milk one, Refine Me. So nice. It's around $5. I got it at the beauty supply. So nice though. I love this scent. It's really nice. It's not like a nasty smell or anything. This is really nice. I'm gonna put some near this so it lays flat. No flyaways. We don't want those. We don't want the flyaways. No flyaways. I'm gonna do a little bit more near the ends and then we are done, y'all. We are done. Period. You see me. Do you see me though? Like I did this like, and as a beginner, like I think I did really good to be a beginner in this wig game though. All right, y'all, this is the final look. This is my first closure wig install. Oh my god, I love it. I love it even without the edges. I love it. I think you even give it even more razzle dazzle with the edges. I might do that you know, when I officially wear it, but oh my goodness, this is giving. Oh my god, I love this hair texture. It's so pretty. This wig is so full. It's serving looks. You already know, ladies, you need this wig. It was not a lot of maintenance to pluck it. I'm sure even if I bleached these knots, I think it would be even better. It would really give, you know, scalp. But this looks really good. For this to be my first wig install, I'm really proud of myself. I love this hair. BLY has been an amazing hair company so far. This will be added to one of my Amazon favorites hair companies. Love this hair company. They're so sweet over there. Check them out. Please check out their wigs. They come super fast on Amazon. You need a quick wig and you want to, you know, get something real affordable. They have some affordable wigs. For this to be 20 inches, this is so pretty. I love this hair. Like, I did that. Like, I'm sorry. Like, it's really giving, to be honest. Like, it's giving. I'm sorry. I did so good on this. For this to be my first one, oh my goodness. Wow. I can't believe I laid it like this. This turned out so good. So my final thoughts on this hair, I really do like this hair. Nice weight to it. It's not super thin. I feel like the ends could be a little thicker, but other than that, the actual body of the hair and through here, it's very nice weight. Very easy to customize, make it your own. Curls up very, very beautifully. The curl pattern is phenomenal. I love this. With just a little bit of water, you get just a beautiful texture of hair. Honestly, this is the wig for the summer. The summer's about to go out, but you can still wear curly hair for the fall coming up, as well as the winter. So ladies, this wig is Shalisha Marie approved. I love this wig. Make sure you guys check out BLY Hair. I will have them everything in the description box below, to the direct link to this wig, as well as all their other information to the other wigs they offer. So yes, I really love this curly hair. I love this texture on me. The deep wave, even water wave, looks very pretty on me. It's given beach mommy, and I just love it. So this is going to be so cute. I cannot wait to style this with some outfits, you know, before the summer rolls out. We have August left, so I cannot wait to wear this and get some cute pictures in it. This is my first wig. I wore a headband wig, but it's not really considered a wig. I mean, it's just like kind of like a hat, but this is like really a wig. And I have never had a wig with lace, and I actually cut it and, like, you know, customized it a little bit to my liking. This is just so pretty. I love the final result. I think I will add some edges. I think that'll make it even more pretty, you know, bleach the knots and everything. As far as video purposes for this install, I think it came out really pretty. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments what's your thoughts on this beautiful wig. So that is the end of this video, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, just give it a big thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you guys love these hair videos. I can keep them coming. I have so many brands reaching out to me. So yes, I love how these hair companies are reaching out to me and making me step out my comfort zone and, you know, try some new things with hair. I've always wanted to get into this stuff. I just never had the, like, courage to do it, like, because you guys know, if you're here, been here for a while, you guys know I'm a natural girl. I don't really do too much of my hair. I don't really do too many styles, so I'm trying to get into different things, you know, and I think this is going to be a start for me. I'm trying to perfect this craft. I want to perfect, you know, getting the wigs, you know, laid right, and the wig cap and stuff. So if you have any suggestions below, let me know in the comments. I'm so open to criticism. You guys know I'm not a person where I can't take criticism. If it's going to help me, you know, improve, I would love to hear your feedback. So yes, if you guys love this hair, I was so excited now to wear this, guys. Like, now that I laid it right, like, I think it's gonna be so cute. I actually like it without edges. I think it looks even more pretty and natural looking, so I just love it. So as always, please follow me on social media. My Instagram is Shalisha Marie, Snapchat is PrincessGirl18, and Twitter is XXShalishasflawless. And of course, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the Flawless gang. We are almost at 83,000 subscribers. Oh my God, we're almost so close to 100K. I'm so grateful and thankful for you guys. Thank you so much. We're gonna continue to grow. We're gonna get that 100K very soon. So with all that being said, I will catch you guys back in my next video on Friday. Bye everyone. Mwah.